All right, Laura, so after trying all the ways of hacking a wireless connection, we find ourselves stuck with no results. So WPA is secured with a strong password that we couldn't find in our word list. Even worse, Radius is being used for authentication and WPS is disabled. So what can we do in this case?
Yeah.
Well, thinking out of the box, we remember that Windows is easier to hack in such cases. Are we hacking a Windows machine in this chapter or the wireless? Well, the wireless, of course, right? We said that up front. So we will ask any Windows computer connected to the target network to give us the password of the AP.
Yeah. For some time, Microsoft Windows has had the convenient wireless profile utility, enabling users to export and import authentication for their wireless networks. The export process requires migrating through the wireless network connection settings and creating an XML file of the password hash through the GUI. This can be a long process, and luckily, the NetSH utility can extract this data for us with a few commands. The beauty of this way is that it will display the passwords in plain text. Interestingly, it doesn't matter which security protocol you use for protecting your network. This process will still display the password in plain text.